Assalamu alaikum. I have a Lenovo Thinkpad T450s, and I'm going to be replacing the drive, putting in this 240 gigabyte solid state drive, PNY. So, with this laptop in particular, to access the drive, you need to open the back. Now, to do that, gotta remove the battery. What you do by pulling these two tabs right here, and then you just slide the battery out, as I did. Next, there are 7 screws around the edge. So here, 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 and there. And I'm just going to go around each of them. Unscrew each of them. Now, to access the drive, it varies from laptop to laptop, brand to brand, model to model. And with a lot of laptops, it's going to be by opening up the back, but certain other models will have much easier access, where all you have to do is take out 1 or 2 screws, and then there's a little compartment that slides out. That's not the case on this guy, but so taking out the screws, almost done with that. Sometimes the screws don't actually come out, but you want to be sure you unscrew them all the way. And if they don't come out all the way, now that I've done that, nails. Sometimes you can use a tool, something thin, and then you just lift. Don't want to force it. See, I removed the battery because there's one more screw right there. Once that screw is loosened, can now fully remove the back, and this is what it looks like on the inside of this laptop. Now right here is the drive. I have a screw right here, and then I will remove the caddy, put the new drive into the caddy that was already in here, put that screw back, and then put the laptop back together. So what connects a drive in basically every computer, or a lot of computers used in our everyday lives, is SATA. And that's these 2 connectors right here. This one reads the drive, this one gives it power. And you'll find that in every PC, desktop, laptop. So now that I've taken it out, always be sure to remember how it was set up. So I had it like this, so I'm gonna take my SSD and insert it the same way, basically with the gold right here facing up. So I'm gonna take that, and there's little parts right here that insert into the side of the drive, typically where screws would go. It really just depends on the caddy you're using and in what device you're putting it in. You can leave it loose, but it's not encouraged, especially with laptops. If it's constantly moving around, it can damage a part of it. So now that I have the drive in, the caddy and the caddy in place, everything in place, I'm gonna put this screw back. Then take my cover and line it up. And as of right now, I'm not going to put the screws, I'm not going to tighten the screws just yet. I want to be sure this clicks in everywhere, go around. Sometimes you'll hear some cracks. And that's basically just the cover settling in. And now I start putting in and tightening the screws. You want to be sure you're using the right size of screwdriver. If it's too small, it won't work. If it's too big, it also won't work. Making my way around. That part is good. And it's going to end up being kind of flush, if you can tell right there along the edge. It's going to be flush. That's how you know it's properly in place. Now I take the battery. Gonna lay it into position and then just push evenly on both sides until it clicks. There you have it. SSD put in a Lenovo Thinkpad T450s.